Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix sent emails not showing up in sent folder on iPhone. Let's start the video. So guys, as you can see, the sent emails not showing up in my sent folder. Let's try to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, make sure that your internet connection is good and working properly. The email you have sent and it is not showing in your sent box, then it is because your internet is not working. This problem happens when your internet is not working properly. So check your internet connection once. Now the internet has checked, your internet is working, still the email you sent is not showing, then go to settings. On the settings, find email and click on it. Now click accounts. Then click email. Here, click delete account. After that, click delete account to confirm your action. Now wait for few seconds. Then sign in your account again. After signing back into the account, go to the email app and see if your sent emails are showing in sent folder. You can see that this time the sent emails are showing up in the sent folder.